Okay.
Hi Gear Sluts, I'm Jim at SSL and this is our new baby, the Matrix. Matrix is the first SSL designed from the ground up for the serious project studio user. It has 16 faders and is an analog mixer first and foremost. Each fader has two inputs at the top of the channel, which we call input and DAW. You can flip between these inputs like you can on a 900, or you can combine both together for 32 analog inputs on mixdown. As an added touch, this has SSL's Super Q system, so when tracking you can have both your mics and your DAW returns connected to the Matrix, and as soon as you press the record button, it will flip your input monitor source. Equally, it's set up to work for the tape machine if you still have one of those lovely beasts. Going down the channel, we then have a stereo Q send, 4 aux sends with 4 stereo aux returns, and assignment to either one of the 2 stereo mix buses. We have a full artist monitor control section with talkback and EQ and a various number of sources. Much like other SSL large consoles, Matrix is also a DAW controller, and with the flip of the button, I'm now in DAW mode.
Okay.
We can control 4 different DAWs simultaneously using MIDI over Ethernet connectivity that gives us 20 independent streams for control. Whether you want to set up 3 layers for one DAW or have 4 different applications running simultaneously, Matrix can switch between them at the touch of a button. Perhaps the feature of Matrix that makes most sense for the project studio is the thing that gives it its name. We have a 32 by 16 by 16 insert matrix. So on the right hand side of the screen here I have a list of my outboard devices that I've got plugged in. Anything greyed out is currently being used. If I want to put this insert onto this channel, I simply go to devices and load it. If I want it on a different channel, I simply go to that channel and load it there instead. Matrix also allows you to set up chains. So if we have a mic-free, EQ and dynamics that we like to use as a tracking chain, that can then be stored and loaded at one mouse click, direct from the front. Matrix is a great size for the smaller commercial studio, the B-room, or the very, very sexy home studio. We will be running a demo tour with Matrix starting from the beginning of April, so look out for dates and come and get your hands on one.
Okay.
For our friends in the US, it will be at NAB in Vegas in 3 weeks' time, so we're not forgetting you either. Thanks for checking it out, and thanks for all your support on the forum. Cheers.
Thank you.